Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Federal High Court in Abuja stopped the Central Bank of Nigeria from releasing monthly financial allocations to the Rivers State government. The presiding judge held that the presentation of the 2024 budget by Governor Siminalayi Fubara before a four-member Rivers State House of Assembly was an affront to the constitutional provision. As gathered by the Punch newspaper, the justice described the receipt and disbursement of monthly allocations since January this year by Fubara as a constitutional somersault and aberration that must not be allowed to continue.
A state is not supposed to collect revenue from a consolidated fund. That is the issue of law. That is the instant provision of the law. And that's what the court has confirmed today, that the Rivers State government has not complied with the requirement of the Constitution on appropriation of bills for expenditures and all the things that they need to do in the state government. It's a very clear judgment.
Justice Abdulmalik also held that Fubara's action in implementing an unlawful budget smacked gross violation of the 1999 Constitution he sought to protect. She restrained the CBN, Accountant General of the Federation, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank from further allowing Fubara to access money from their consolidated revenue and the Federation account. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.